going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix an overexposed video or picture in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now I'm going to be using a very easy option to use, a very easy tool which you can apply on the fly. Pretty much it takes only a few seconds and only a few button presses, and we're going to go over and show you the differences. Now this is the video that I've added here, and this is the copy of the video that I have. Actually, I won't create another copy, I'll just undo, and as you can see I have this copy which I've exposed a bunch simply for this tutorial's sake, so that you can see what the effect does. I'm going to expose it a bit more, and this now looks really ugly. This isn't really an overexposed video, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this right here. Now as you can see, if I go back into the edit tab, I can click on the overexposed footage that I've created, and I'm going to go into the inspector under video and go down into composite. Now in composite mode, you just need to click it and go and scroll down until you find the one that you want. You can click on hue, and as you can see it kind of fixes the problem. If I click hue, it looks really similar, if not pretty much identical to the other footage that I've created. Or if I go to soft light, I can use that, and that lowers the exposure, makes the details pop a bit, and etc, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much what you can use it. You just need to change the composite mode to whatever you want. You can also use the foreground, alpha, inverted alpha, lum, inverted lum, use whatever you want, but in my case the hue works best. In your case the soft light might work best, and it works in the most examples that I know of. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.